Hi guys, welcome to another section of Learning with Prepclass. I am tutor Chima. How are you doing guys? How have you been seeing our videos? I believe that has been engaging, it has been entertaining, it has been good, it has been cool, it has been nice, it has been everything. Alright, so students, today we are going to be looking at Jamb Biology 2016 and I'm going to be solving questions number 21 to 25 because in the previous video I solved questions 16 to 20, so we'll continue the section by solving questions 21 to 25 of Jamb Biology 2016. We are going to be destroying the 5. So like I said, we are going to be destroying the 5 questions, but before we proceed, guys, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our videos. Below there you see a notification bell, click it. Once that notification bell is clicked and activated, you'll be the first to be informed or notified whenever we have an educational content like this on our channel. You can feel free to share our videos so it will reach as much viewers as possible. Like, comment, subscribe. So do everything. So without wasting your time, let us go straight to the business of today. We are going to be solving questions 21 to 25. So question 21 says, the leech and earthworm belong to the leech and earthworm belong to the, is it the mollusk, is it the crustacean, is it the arachnid, is it the annelids? The answer is annelids. Annelids are segmented worms with long cylindrical bodies. They are the most advanced worms. They include earthworm and the leeches. So the leech and the earthworm belongs to annelids. So annelids is the correct answer. Very simple, annelids. So the correct answer is annelids, option D. 22. Ratus, Agama, Bufo regularis, Tilapia zili. The order of evolutionary advancement of the above vertebrate is, the order of the evolutionary advancement of the above vertebrate is it 1, 2, 3, 4? Is it 1, 4, 3, 2? Is it 2, 3, 4, 1? Is it 4, 3, 2, 1? Now, before we can do the evolutionary advancement, we need to know what all these animals are. So I said that the correct order of evolutionary advancement is 4, because 4, Tilapia zili, represents tilapia fish, which forms under Pisces. You know, in the evolutionary advancement of mammals, we have Pisces, which is fishes. After Pisces, we have the amphibians. After the amphibians, we have the reptilia. After the reptilia, we have the apes, that's the birds. Then we have the mammals. So we'll start with the simplest one, which is the Pisces, that's the fishes. So Tilapia zili. Tilapia zili is tilapia fish, which is Pisces. Followed by the next one must be an amphibian, and that's Bufo regularis. Bufo regularis is the botanical name or the scientific name for toad. So Bufo regularis, toad, which is an amphibian. The next one is the Agama, that's the Agama lizard, which is a reptilia. And the last one is the mammal, Ratus, which is, they didn't put a bird here. So we'll go with fish, amphibian, reptile, and mammal. So the correct answer should be 4, 3, 2, 1. Therefore the answer is 4, 3, 2, 1. So our correct answer is 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, tilapia, 3, which is 2 lizard, 1 rat. 23. If a nursing mother is not producing enough milk, her hormonal system is probably deficient in. If a nursing mother is not producing enough milk, her hormonal system is probably deficient in. Is it testosterone? Is it thyroxine? Is it insulin? Is it prolactin? What are the functions of those hormones? Testosterone is responsible for male sex characteristics. So that's male behavior, like boldness, aggressiveness, then also sexual characteristics in males when they grow. Hair in the chest, deep voice, big penis, big testicles. That's the development of the penis, testicles. Armpit says the armpit, bears, like this my bears, are controlled by the testosterone. So it's not found in females. Thyroxine. Thyroxine is responsible for normal growth, basal metabolism, normal growth, normal body function. Insulin. Insulin is responsible for controlling blood level, sugar levels. Insulin does that by stimulating the liver to convert excess glucose to glycogen and store it. So insulin regulates the amount of sugar in the blood. Prolactin, this is responsible for inducing milk production in pregnant women. But this question is somehow confused. Say a nursing mother is not producing enough milk. Her hormonal system is probably deficient in. Now, it might be deficient in prolactin when she was pregnant. That is because prolactin is responsible for inducing milk production in pregnant women. But since she's not a nursing mother, if she's not deficient in prolactin and she's not yet producing enough milk, she will be deficient in oxytocin, because oxytocin is responsible for the production of milk in the nipples. Are you following? Letting milk, bringing out of milk from the nipples is what oxytocin is responsible for. But since we don't have oxytocin here, we have prolactin, and it's directly related to milk production. So we'll go with prolactin. Our correct answer is prolactin. Prolactin. 24. The type of joint between adjacent bones in the part level 2 is the. Use the diagram to answer questions 24 and 25. The type of joint between adjacent bones in the part level 2 is the. This is the part level 2. What type of joint is found here? Is it a hinge joint? Is it suture joint? Is it sliding joint? Is it ball and socket joint? It is a gliding and sliding joint. A gliding and sliding joint allows a sliding of bones over one another. It occurs at the wrist, ankle, and spine. So the joint here is a gliding and sliding joint. Hinge joint is the joints that allow movement in one direction. This elbow now, hinge joint. Suture joint is an immovable joint. It's found in the skull. Ball and socket joint is the one that is found here, the arm and the shoulder. But this sliding and gliding joint allows sliding or easy movement of one bone over the other. So it's found mostly in the wrist, ankle, and spine. So the correct answer there is sliding joint. C. Sliding joint. 25. And the last for today. The bones level 2 are called thoracic vertebrae, lumbar vertebrae, cervical vertebrae, sacral vertebrae. The bones level 2. These bones here are the lumbar vertebrae. This one are the cervical vertebrae. This one's here are the thoracic vertebrae in the chest, lumbar vertebrae before the hips, then sacral and caudal. So the correct answer there is lumbar vertebrae. Lumbar vertebrae is located in the lower back between the thoracic and the sacral vertebrae segment. So those bones are actually the lumbar vertebrae. So the correct answer is lumbar vertebrae. That is lumbar vertebrae. Alright guys, we've come to the end of today's section of Learning with Prep Class. We'll look at past questions on biology, Jamb 2016. I believe you enjoyed the video. I believe you learned one or two things that you don't know before. I believe your knowledge in biology improved to some extent. Now, if you look here, you notice that you've been provided with a link. Type this link on your browser. When you do so, it will take you straight to our WhatsApp group. Now, when you join us on WhatsApp, you're getting updates, you're getting infos on the latest content on our channel. Please try to see the next video, okay? I still remain Tutochima. Bye.